can I open this? There's no way to open it. Excited to open my package. I guess I need to. Whoa. They have boxes, you know? 1, 2, 3, and then I have $20 of 50 free mist or lotion. Ooh, okay. I am so glad. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 30 pieces. Wow. Let's see what is inside. That's why I like it when you buy it online, because they have already boxed. When you send in the Philippines, you know, it won't like get busted. Oh gosh. Alright. This is so good. Alright. This is like a gift set for Pure Seduction, a small mist and lotions. Like that. It's a different kind, so I don't know. I'm not gonna open all the boxes, but that's what is inside. Okay. This one is a mist, body mist, I guess. Oh no, it's not a mist. It's a Pure Seduction lotion. They're on sale for $6.99. I got it during the annual sale. And this, what's the name of this? This gift set is buy one get one. I buy two get two free. So you have to like $40 for two, and you have to get another two free. So like $40 for four. But now it's not sale no more, so 1990 something, 1995, 1999 each. Alright, so I have 30 pieces for this one. Okay, got a lot today. I am so happy. Yeah, that's my first order from Victoria's Secret.